Okay, I have to share this because this has been such a fun little upgrade in our bathroom. This is an LED handheld shower head with built-in filtration. And right away, what makes it stand out is the color changing lights. And the best part, it works with water flow, no batteries needed. As soon as you turn on the shower, the lights automatically cycle through different colors, and it honestly creates such a relaxing, almost spa-like vibe. I actually installed this myself in about 5 minutes. It just screws onto the existing shower setup. Super simple, no tools needed, and I had absolutely no leaks. It's always a win when something is that easy to upgrade. One of the things I really appreciate is the filtration beads inside. Even if you don't have hard water, it's nice knowing that it's helping remove chlorine and other impurities. I've personally noticed a difference in how my hair feels after showering. It feels softer, cleaner, and easier to rinse out. It just gives that fresh feeling overall, especially for your scalp. And the water pressure is also really impressive. The design of the nozzle gives you a stronger, more focused flow, so it feels like a high pressure shower without actually using more water. It's great for rinsing shampoo out quickly, and it just makes the whole shower experience feel more efficient. And I have to say, the lights are such a fun touch. I actually put this in my teens' bathroom, and they absolutely love it. It just adds a cool, modern vibe that makes showering a little more enjoyable. Another bonus is how easy it is to use for cleaning. Because it's handheld, I can easily rinse down the bathtub and shower walls, which makes cleaning so much quicker and easier. Overall, this has been such a great upgrade. It's affordable, easy to install, looks really cool, and actually improves the way your shower feels. Between the pressure, the filtration, and the LED lights, it just makes the whole experience better. I'm really happy with this one. Definitely a fun and practical addition to the bathroom. And thank you to the brand for sending it to me.